Hi guys, welcome to another card opening video. Today I've got another Vermillion Bloodline pack. This one is Kumba, I believe his name is, and we've got Super Saiyan 4 Goku. So I'm going to be opening both of these in the pack. This one feels a little bit heavier, so I might leave that one to later. Now, with Dragon Ball Super cards, I'm not too sure which ones are good or not. You know, I'm very familiar with the anime, but I'm not very familiar with the cards. So, if I get something good and I don't react, you know why. Alright. So we've got Dark Broly, the new Masked Saiyan. Oh. So is that... Okay, that's Dark Broly. I thought it was Kumba. Golden Revenge. Prince of Destruction Vegeta, Life and Death. Gravy. Gasyu. Super Saiyan Goku. Darkness Blast Stinger. Majin Buu Ghastly Energy. Ooh, Sun Goku. Super Blutz Wave Generator. Ooh. Gogeta Fusion of the Gods. That looks very nice. And Mighty Strike Prince of Destruction Vegeta. Now I just want to go back. That's a really neat card. I don't think I've ever seen Goku with like a blue jacket on. But if you're wondering why I keep sort of flipping the cards, with Dragon Ball Super cards, some of them have something else on the back. Like, for example, this one, Vados, and then on the back, Aid Vados. I'm pretty sure it's just like a transformation thing, but, it is good to sort of have a look. This one is very neat. I really like the art on this one. I have always preferred Gogeta over Vegito. But again, I'm not sure if which cards are particularly rare in this, so I'll have a look at that later and I will let you know. So in the last video, I had a look and I don't think any of the cards I got were higher than uncommon. Most of them were common. Alright, Super Saiyan Blue Goku, Dark Broly, and Paragus. And we got Tower, Bulma, Gohan, Haru Haru. Hang on, is this the same as, I think in the last video I got one? And I think it was Shun Shun Haru Haru's sister. Maybe it was this one, I'm not too sure. Chile, Dabura, Baby. Nice. Vegeta. Tower. Oh, that one's also shiny. And Chaos Savage Berserker. Alright, well that's it for this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a good day. Thank you.